Hello, this is Mr. Allen, and I would like to give you an update for week number 5 for semester 2. So, this week in Calc AB, students are taking their big Chapter 4 test on integration, and we are starting to look at Chapter 5, which will focus on differential equations. In Calc BC, we've been looking at convergence tests for infinite series, and they will actually have a Chapter 8 test this week. And we will continue our work with infinite series later on this week. In geometry, we are studying similar polygons. So, for example, the two polygons here are what we call similar. They have the same shape, but in this case, they're not the same size. So, my final thoughts, these are general, but it's going to be, in my example here, it's going to be geared more towards my geometry students. So this is a module, this week's module for the geometry students, and you can see here that I've got a lot of things listed. And so today we covered section 8.2, which is on proving triangles are similar by something called the AA similarity postulate. So if students were to click on this where it says homework, this is what it says, and it gives them the page number and it tells them the problems. Now I've got a physical copy of the book here just to make it easier for me to show you. I'm going to open it up to section 8.2. But students have access to the digital version through our township webpage. If your son or daughter claims they don't know how to do this, please reach out to me so that I can show them explicitly how to do that. Anyway, so these are the problems that I would encourage students to do. They don't necessarily have to do all of them, but they should certainly do some of them. And the reason I'm showing this to you is you'll see down here at the bottom it says videos on CalcView and solutions to odd problems on CalcChat. So if I click here again, this is a screenshot of CalcChat, the same section. This happens to be problem number 7. So you can see here it gives the answer with some explanation. And then it says view a video of the solution. So if I click it again here, I can go to CalcView, and again, this is just a screenshot for this particular problem, exercise 7, and there's actually a video of a math instructor explaining how to do that problem. So this is, I believe, to be a valuable resource for students, and I'm not sure that enough of them take advantage of that. I'm going to go back a couple of pieces here. So the grade, the thing that they get graded on is this homework quiz, which is, let's say 8 problems, and it's on Canvas. So students focus on this, which is great, but they don't spend enough time practicing. So I guess that's what I'm trying to get to, is I believe that students need to do a better job of practicing, and I think that will help them be more successful. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.